Before Toyota started recommending ultra-thin oils like 0W-8, its engines were built around a completely different philosophy, one that helped create some of the most reliable vehicles ever made. If you've ever wondered why older Toyotas could easily reach 300,000 miles while newer models require such specific oil grades, the answer might surprise you. And if you're using the wrong oil today, you could actually be hurting your engine without realizing it. Think back to legendary Toyota engines from the late 1990s and early 2000s. These powerplants were engineered with durability as the top priority. Internal parts had slightly larger clearances, allowing thicker oils like 5W-30 and 10W-30 to create a strong protective cushion between moving components. Instead of relying on cutting-edge technology, Toyota relied on a simple formula: strong mechanical design, thicker oil, and regular maintenance. That combination made these engines incredibly forgiving, even under tough driving conditions. Back then, oil changes were recommended every 3,000 to 5,000 miles for a reason. Conventional oils broke down faster, collected more contaminants, and couldn't maintain peak performance for extended periods. Fresh oil was the secret to keeping these engines running smoothly for decades. It wasn't fancy, it was simply effective. But then everything changed. As fuel economy standards became stricter, Toyota engineers faced a new challenge. Drivers still expected legendary reliability, but governments demanded cleaner emissions and better gas mileage. The only way to achieve both was to redesign the engine from the inside out. Manufacturing became far more precise. Engine clearances became tighter, moving parts became lighter, and advanced technologies like variable valve timing started depending on engine oil not only for lubrication but also for controlling critical engine functions. Suddenly, oil wasn't just protecting metal parts, it became an active part of how the engine operated. That's why Toyota gradually moved from 5W-30 to 0W-20 and later to even thinner oils. These low-viscosity oils flow much faster during cold starts, reducing friction almost immediately. Less friction means better fuel economy, lower emissions, and faster lubrication, exactly where modern engines need it most. But here's what many drivers don't realize. Thin oil only works because today's engines are specifically engineered for it. Modern Toyota engines use tighter tolerances, advanced surface coatings, variable oil pumps, and highly efficient cooling systems that older engines never had. Simply pouring ultra-thin oil into an older engine won't magically improve performance. In fact, it could increase wear if that engine wasn't designed for it. Hybrid vehicles take this idea even further. Unlike traditional cars, a hybrid engine constantly shuts off and restarts during normal driving. Every restart creates a brief period where oil must circulate through the engine again. A thinner oil reaches critical components much faster, helping reduce wear during those repeated startup cycles. That's one of the biggest reasons Toyota recommends low-viscosity oils for many of its hybrid models. Another major reason is advances in oil technology itself. Modern full synthetic oils are dramatically different from the conventional oils used decades ago. They resist heat better, maintain their viscosity longer, reduce sludge buildup, and contain advanced additives that create microscopic protective layers on metal surfaces. Even though these oils are thinner, they're often better at protecting modern engines than thicker oils from the past. Does that mean thicker oil is bad? Not at all. Toyota still recommends different oil grades depending on climate and driving conditions in certain markets. In extremely hot environments or under heavy loads, slightly thicker oils may still be approved because they provide extra protection when temperatures rise. The important point is that the recommendation depends on how the engine was engineered and where it's being driven, not simply on which oil is thicker. So the biggest mistake you can make is assuming thicker always means better protection or thinner always means better efficiency. Both can be true, but only when they match the engine's design. The real secret behind Toyota's legendary reliability has never been one specific oil grade. It's using the correct oil, changing it on time, and following the maintenance schedule the engineers designed for that engine. That's what allows many Toyota engines to keep running reliably for hundreds of thousands of miles while delivering excellent fuel economy at the same time. So before your next oil change, take a moment to check your owner's manual instead of listening to internet myths. Choosing the right oil today could save you thousands of dollars in future repairs, and that's exactly why understanding this simple change from thick oils to ultra-thin synthetics matters more than ever.